Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what you can do if you're having problems with your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2. So maybe there's not enough coffee coming out, or maybe you're finding that it's leaking up in this area here. It could be because the injectors are blocked. It might just need cleaning. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out any old pod here. We're also going to take out this thing here. So lift it up towards the top, and that will allow you then to put it straight out like so. And that will give you access into this area here. And if you have a look, can you see this section here? This actually comes out. All we have to do is get our fingers underneath it and it will lift out. So I'm going to get my thumb under here and look at that. See that? I've just popped that up there. So if you have a look underneath, so it's this thing here that you need to press up on. And basically that's where your coffee comes out of. So by pressing that up there, it removes this thing here, and it will allow us to give this a good clean, because you might find that these have become blocked up. So we're going to take that over to the sink and give it a good clean, and it will also give us an opportunity to clean all around in here as well, because you can see the amount of coffee build up. So I've just got a little blue cloth here, and I'm just going to use some water. I'm going to make sure that it's not completely saturated, it's just lightly damp, and I'm going to just scrub in here. And you can see there the amount that's come off just from that there. Look at that. Again, a lot's come off there. So let's bring this part over to the sink and give it a nice good clean. So I'm just going to use some warm water on this and an old toothbrush. And it looks like there might be something caught down here, so I'm just going to get a cotton bud, a Q-tip, and I'm going to try to go right the way through to see if it drags any old coffee out. Right, so let's see what happens. Yeah, look at that inside. And that's after running the water all through it. So you can see the importance of cleaning this part here. Right, so I can see through that hole there now, and I can see through this hole here. So let's pop it back in the machine. I'm going to place this in like so with the flat part against the barcode reader. Press it down and it clicks into place, and the rubber seal is against that bit there. You should find now that when you put your pod in, that all the coffee is going to go through here, water through here, coffee through here. While you're here, make sure that the barcode reader is nice and clean as well. And don't forget to put this part in. So you're going to be putting this part in this way round. Put it in up the top here, and it just slides straight in then at that angle, and let it drop down. And that is it. Hopefully now you will find that no coffee's leaking and all the coffee ends up coming down into the cup. Thanks for watching.